Welcome to Jamaica.
Delta 1928, approaching holding point 7, ready for takeoff.
So 1928 Sanctuary Tower, hold short runway 07. And you're number 1 to the American in the holding bay.
Short runway 7, Delta 1928, number 1.
Seven five one Quebec Sierra is with you inside Usain on the RNAV RFP 7.
November 751 Quebec Sierra, network running 07.
751 Quebec Sierra.
Blue 1659ers, holding short runway 07.
Good afternoon to you. Continue your approach for runway 07. We'll be releasing on Airbus 330 before your landing. for the runway line up and wait for departure 07. Canada 983, instruction that as soon as you are airborne to switch to radar, they want you to separation. Before R49, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217, good day.
Next to the right, Bravo, and 21.7. Goodbye.
The 983 wind 060 degrees 17 knots. Let's take off on runway 07.
Quick, 983. Thanks to American 875 on the RNAV 7.
One 462 tower, clear to land 7, wind 070 degrees 19 knots.
Phil line 7, yeah, 1462. Stand up on wind 07.
Tree, Airborne 57, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Order radar 120.8, Air Canada 983, good day, sir.
Zero 60.
Runway 713 coming up to the hold short of 07.
713, Tango Tower, line up and wait, runway 07. 715 Tango, out of time for 0, vacate right on Alpha. On Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Right on Alpha, ground 121.7, legend 715 Tango.
Thanks to Tower for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees 16 knots.
Runway 07, runway 713. contact airborne classification.
It's with you on the RNAV ES runway 07.
193, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continuing, JetBlue 1193.
Air Canada 982 arrive at 40, vacate via Alpha, contact the ground 121.7.
Flight Alpha 21-7, Air Canada 982.
Tomjet 114, arrive 54, vacate Bravo, ground 121.7. Good day.
Bravo, call ground 121.7, Tomjet 114. Bye bye.
November 370 Romeo Tower, Roger. Confirm we have the number one traffic, Tomjet Airbus 333, have inside. November 370 Romeo, Roger. Proceed to final air dispersion caution wake, releasing Juliet, right here, arrival. Juliet, behind the landing Airbus 333. Line up and wait, runway 07 intersection, Delta, caution wake.
Top of the caution, Bandit 333, line up and wait, Juliet. Additional Romeo.
Juliet, turning final now from the left base.
Think that's fine.
854 Heavy, arrived 16, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7 Winkler, and nice landing.
Zero Bravo 1217, Tomjet 854, thank you for this.
Juliet, wind 060 degrees at 7 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07, reference traffic 370 Romeo on the left base.
I was going to head it, I start heading west, I'll look for it.
November 370 Romeo, wind 060 degrees at 7 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Clear to land 07, 370.
Roger. Continue approach, runway 07, report bolt.
Roger, report. Bolt, clear, Canada.
2 miles to the northwest inbound for a straighten approach 07. Airborne time.
Number 110 Victor Echo.
0 Victor Echo, thanks for tower. Continue final, runway 07.
07 November 110 Victor Echo.
American 2611. JetBlue 117 2 miles north of Usain at 3,000 feet.